Everyone, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Physics by Aaryan. So as you have seen the title, today we will discuss how to prepare for IIT JAM exam, specifically IIT JAM Physics Exam. So before we get started about discussing everything, let me first quickly introduce about myself. I am Aaryan Mehra. I'm done my MSc Physics from IIT Delhi. I am still pursuing that degree and my degree will be completed in 2022 itself in June. Okay, and I have qualified IIT JAM exam in 2020 with All India rank 152. I have also qualified JEST exam with All India rank 87 and GATE exam with All India rank 282. And some of you might know and some of you might not know that I am guiding the students for competitive exams like JAM and JEST from last 2 years. And in fact, this year, 11 of my students got selected into IIT. And that is actually a very proud moment for our institution. Also, this year I have started some courses on GATE and NET exam. So let's now come to what is IIT JAM exam for all the new students. So IIT JAM is very different from IIT JEE or JEE Advanced, Mains, etc. These two exams are completely different. What is these exams are for? IIT JAM exam is done for MSc Physics. If you want to do your MSc Physics in IITs, then you can give this exam and you get admission in MSc Physics at almost all the IITs. Similarly, if you want to do your MSc Geophysics, Geophysics is also a branch of physics. What geophysics is and what are its benefits, and that we will discuss in some other video. But if you want to do MSc Geophysics then there are two IITs which provide that. One is IIT Bombay and other is Kharagpur. Then you can also get an admission through IIT JAM Physics exam. Third is MSc Medical Physics. It is also a branch of physics and it is provided in IIT Kharagpur. You can also do that through IIT JAM exam. There is one more benefit of IIT JAM exam, that you can get integrated PhD at all the IISERs and IISc. What is integrated PhD? So you get an admission for MSc as well as PhD together. And when you do your PhD, then only you will get your MSc degree and PhD degree together. You cannot leave the institution after MSc. You have to entirely do the PhD and then you will leave it. Throughout your period, from starting from MSc, you will get some stipend money, which is very good, like 15,000, 10 to 15,000, sometimes 20. And during your PhD at this place, you will get amount like 31,000 per month to do this degree. So it is also a very good, nice degree. We will discuss about it in more in some other video. So another question comes that why to join IITs for MSc? And my friends, soon I am releasing one video in which I will discuss my journey in IIT Delhi and why you should do your MSc in IIT. What does IIT provide? Okay, so you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because many such videos are coming very shortly. Now let's just quickly discuss what is JAM we have discussed. Now let's see about IIT JAM exam. How is the exam? It is a computer based test. What do you mean? That you go to the exam center, instead of pen and paper you will get a computer screen in which all the questions will come and you have to mark your answer. Okay, so this is means by computer based test. The exam will be for 3 hours and there will be 60 questions in this exam and total marks will be 100. Okay, so how this is divided? So let's say first 10 questions you will get will be for 1 mark. So first 10 questions 1 mark each, and there will be a negative marking. It is an MCQ question, so there will be 4 options. You have to decide one only one will be correct, and if you choose the wrong option then it will be -1/3. Okay, then these are easy questions 1 to 10. Then there are 20 more MCQs. These MCQs are 2 mark and negative marking is -2/3. However, these MCQs are little harder than the first 10. Okay, Now coming to the third section is MSQ. What do you mean? It means multiple select question. So you will have the four options, and not just one, but one, two, three, or even all four options can be correct. So you have to choose all the correct options. So if you choose any wrong option, your answer will be wrong. Or if you do the partially correct, it means that three options were right, but you only choose two right. Even then your question will be wrong. So you will get full marks only if you will choose all the correct options. Okay, and there is no negative marking in this part. So there will be 10 MSQ questions. Then there are 10 NAT questions, which means numerical questions. What do you mean by that? That there will be option to write an answer. It will be a numerical digit like 1, 2, 3, or 1.1, 7.7, or minus 32. Any number, you have to write some number. It can be a integer number or it can be a decimal number as well. Okay, so 10 questions, 1 mark each. These are little easy questions and there is no negative marking. Similarly, there are 10 questions which are also NAT and 2 mark each, but these are little bit harder. So also there is no negative marking. So the negative marking is only in MCQs. So if you see the total marks, so 10 plus 40. So 40 marks is for MCQs, 20 mark is for MSQ, and 30 marks is for NAT. So that gives you total of 100 marks. Perfect. So I hope till now you are all clear why to do IIT, what is IIT JAM exam, and what kind of exam is this, what will be asked in the paper, and that's it. So out of these 100 marks, so the question comes, how much marks do I need to score to get a good IIT, to get an admission in IIT? So usually for general students, the all India rank 550 to 600 is needed for an IIT admission. Similarly for OBC, like 1000 to 1200 is needed, and for SC ST students, if your rank is under 3000, you may get some IIT. You may or you may not. It entirely depends in case of reservation categories, that how many reserved students gave the exam that year and so on. But it's safe to say that less than 3000 you will get an IIT. So for this rank, how much marks do we need? So that depends entirely on the paper. So if paper is easy, then you need more marks, and if paper is very hard, you need less marks. But what is a safe score? Let's say 55 marks out of 100 is a safe score. According to my experience, if you are scoring 55 marks, then more or less it is sure that you will definitely get an IIT, unless it is extremely easy paper, okay, which do not happen very rarely, which happen very rarely. So 55 marks is a very safe score. So if you are getting safe score, then you will definitely get any IIT at least. And okay, now till now it's everything was about what is exam. Now let's discuss how to prepare for this exam. So number one question which I got during my preparation time was discussion on the books, materials and videos. There are so many books available. Okay, and at the same time there are no books available. Okay, that is a problem in the education field. There are so many materials available and at the same time there is no material available. Both the problems are there. Okay, so what should we study and what should we not? So let me tell you, there is absolutely no need for coaching. Okay, I never did any coaching. You only need mentoring, you only need guidance. That's all. You do not need any coaching institute to give you video lectures to teach you. Okay, there is no need for that, because you have to learn to self teach yourself ultimately. Okay, so there is no need, but if you still think that there is a need, you can do the coaching. Okay, now what books to study is a big question, so I will suggest to go and see the guidance PDF by Physics by Aaryan. So we have our own website physicsbyaaryan.com, or we also have our Telegram group Physics by Aaryan. So links will be available in the uh, in the description. You can join and you can visit the website. You will get the guidance PDF for each topic freely available on our website and in our Telegram group. What does this guidance PDF involves? This involves for each topic which book you should read, and exactly not just book but exactly what chapter and exactly what pages you need to read. Also, there are many good YouTube videos available on every topic. For example, you know NPTEL. I hope you all know about this. It is a government website where all the IIT teachers teach freely. It is free of cost. So how to use those videos and what video lectures to watch, specifically what video lectures are useful for what topics, all of that is mentioned in a guidance PDF. So these some of the guidance PDF I have uploaded, and throughout the year I will keep uploading more and more guidance PDF. So stay tuned on the website, and you will get many guidance PDF there. So for all topics I will upload guidance PDF for free, of course, for every student. Okay. Now, once you know that what books to read, what are the steps for the preparation? How to start the preparation? That is the biggest question comes to every student. So the steps of preparation is, number one step is pick a topic. So see the syllabus of IIT JAM exam first. Read the syllabus very carefully. So let's start to read the top syllabus. So this is a syllabus. It has 7 subjects. Number one subject is mathematical methods. The syllabus is very small, very limited syllabus. So you can read the mathematical syllabus very carefully. Some of topics you might have done in BSc, some of might you have not done. Okay. Second is mechanics. It is little bit advanced mechanics than class 11th, but still it is not very much advanced. Okay. And general properties of matter, which is very simple topics. Okay. Oscillations, waves and optics. It actually involves 3 subtopics. One is oscillations. You can read about the entire syllabus. Second is waves, and third is optics. Okay, how to divide this syllabus into parts and which book to read I already mentioned. Please go and watch guidance PDFs. Okay, the topics are already been divided for you. The material is already been discussed there. Okay, so you can watch that. You can see those. Okay, guidance PDFs. Fourth is electricity and magnetism. Very, uh, very nice subject for your MSc and BSc perspective. So fifth is kinetic theory, thermodynamics, and it actually involves statistical mechanics as well. Okay. So first part is kinetic theory, second part is thermodynamics, and third part in this is statistical physics. So there are 5 subjects. So 6th subject is modern physics. So modern physics involves many subparts. First part is relativity, second part is little bit modern physics, third part is little bit parts of quantum mechanics, some very small part of atomic physics, and some part of nuclear physics. So very simple topics. Then comes solid state physics, devices and electronics. So this is actually 2 subjects combined together, solid state physics, but not solid state physics is asked in a very limited amount, not a lot of topics. Okay, and electronics specifically. So all these 7 topics, subjects are there in your syllabus. So what to do? Just pick a topic, not a subject. I am talking about a topic. So just if you pick any topic, go and see the guidance PDF for that topic. Now there will be some YouTube video recommendations. So go watch those video lectures and carefully watch those lectures and make the notes from those lectures, because preparation for competitive exams does not means that just cramming up. It means you must have the good understanding. You should have the good problem solving technique in yourself. Okay, that is also very important. Okay, now also read the book along with the lectures. So I will have mentioned a book in the guidance PDF. So along with the lectures, also read a book a little bit. Now do the previous year questions of that topic. So when you complete any topic, let's say you completed relativity, then see the previous year questions of the relativity and try to solve them. And if you don't are not able to solve them, don't get disheartened, okay, because previous year questions are not for you to check yourself. It is a part of a syllabus. Some students do the previous year questions in the end. That is too late. Once you complete any topic, immediately do the previous year questions of that topic, then give a test. You can take any test and you can take a test of that topic, and then once your test is done, start a new topic. Doesn't matter how much score you have obtained in the test. Let's say you take a test of 100 marks and you got only 20 marks, still start a new topic, okay, because no one can perfection a topic in just one time. You have to restudy, and after 2 3 4 times you master a topic. So once you think that you have read the book, you have watched the lectures, and then you have given the test, change the subject, change the topic, sorry. So then you start a new topic. So when it is 2 to 3 weeks that you have studied the old topic, now it is time to revise that old topic. And how do you revise? You revise by taking a quick look of your notes, whatever you have made, quick look of your previous year questions, and third is solving an assignment. Okay, so you solve an assignment. Now, till here it is done. There are some features of a student which is very much needed, that what kind of student you should be to, so that you can qualify this exam. Number one point is that you do not need to have a very good grades. You should not be a topper. You should, but it is not needed that you are a topper. If you are a topper, that's good, but if you are not, don't worry. I was also not a topper in the beginning of my physics journey, and today I am in IIT Delhi and I am also guiding students. So definitely believe me, if you are not a topper, it is not needed. Secondly, you need to do a consistent work for 1 year. I always tell students when they ask how much do I need to study every day, I say you just study 4 hours every day. You will get good marks in BSc, you will get good marks in your competitive exams, you will enjoy your studies. Just study 4 hours every day, but it means every day. Every day means every day. No Sundays, no Saturdays off. If you have taken a Saturday off, study 8 hours on any other day. Just maintain 28 hours every week. That's it. If you do that, even if you are a very average student, very average student, that is a maximum you need to do. 28 hours every week. Plus, yes, plus watch and carefully attend your BSc lectures. That is very important. Now, the third thing I want to mention is be participative in everything. Not just do not prepare just for competitive exams, but also focus on BSc. Also focus on other activities and try to be a more confident person in your life. If you are more confident person, if you can manage your time in your real life, then you will be more confident in the real exam. You will be able to manage your time in the actual exams as well. So whatever is your personality now is going to be your personality in the exam. So maintain that. So these are the 3 things which I need from you guys if you want to clear the IIT JAM. First, what I said was that you need to be a confident person. You should be participated in each activity to increase your confidence. Confidence do not come in by just sleeping in the night. Okay, you have to participate in many activities. Then I said that you should handle your BSc also very well. Watch the video lectures and study 4 hours every day. And third is you do not need to be a topper. That's it. If you're a topper, that's good, but you don't need to. Now I have an empowerment program. I have a course to empower every student. Why I say empower? Because whenever you think to take the coaching for IIT exam, you need to spend 30 to 40,000 rupees, just the fees. And if you decide to take it in offline mode, then 10 to 15,000 rupees hostel, etc., hostel food every month. So all of this is gone. I am providing a course for each and every student, and the motive of this course is to make the competitive exams easy for everyone. Only 2000 rupees for entire course of 1 year. 1 year course, only 2000 rupees. Okay, and what do you get in this course? First of all, guidance PDF that is actually freely available for everyone. So that is not a short notes for each topic. So for each topic you will get my own handwritten short notes in a very clear handwriting, so that you can make sure that you have read everything which was needed. Third, previous year questions divided topic wise. You will not find this anywhere. Also these questions are completely solved by me. Okay. Fourth, tests. I said you need to give the test, but where you will give the test? So I will provide you all the online tests, just like a JAM exam. We have our own testing portal, which is tests.physicsbyaaryan.com. You can go there and take a demo test if you want to. So test, completely test, and also the solutions of the test are available. Then the next problem comes is whenever you have doubts, there is no one to solve your doubts. So in this course, every week, on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, I take the doubt class. So you can attend that doubt class. You can ask as many questions as you want in that doubt class. Then assignment for each topic. How to know which assignment to solve? So I will give you a perfect assignment every week for revision of the previous topics. And also I have made a very good community, and I am very proud of that. I have a community in which I know the IITian for almost one student for almost all the IITs. I know the students in IIT Kharagpur, I know the students in IIT Kanpur, Delhi, Mumbai, everything. In every IIT, almost in every IIT, I have some links. And that is a community which I am trying to build, where every student can get a coaching in just 2000 rupees every year. It is so cheap that every student can afford. And because the motive of my motive is not to earn money, but to empower every student, to bring more girls into the science, to bring more middle class students like me into the science. They can pursue the MSc Physics. That is my goal. And just in 1 year, I am able to give 11 IITians, and I think you can be the next IITian. In our community, we do many fun activities like revision marathons, like show your talent day. So on that day, I will ask you to, so we will enjoy in that day. We will not study, we will just share our ideas. We will try to know each other. We also do many Premier Leagues. I will divide you in teams, and then those teams will compete with each other. So all such activities will help you to be a more confident person, to prepare well about this exam. So if you want to join our community, if you want to take this course, so there are 2 or 3 options. One is you can message me. Okay, so entire payment link and etc. is available on our website. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at this number anytime. Okay, so once you pay the fees, that's it. You just need to message me, and you will be automatically will be added to the course very easily. And if you have any question, you can ask me. So I hope that you have learned something about IIT JAM exam in this video, and best of luck to all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.